Okay, so they're a very pretty blue color, but as you can see, the blue's coming off. It doesn't stay on there very well. And that's just been wiped off with like a paper towel. I haven't even done any hard scrubbing on it. It just, I don't know, maybe it's the sheath that's scratching it because they are a tight fit. They're very pretty. Let me see if I can take this off. But even on here, see how the coatings come off? Coating is, they're losing their sharpness. The blue is coming off of the knife. Look at the blade. See how it's like that. Okay, so there you can see the coating coming off. And that's marks from the sheath. It's like imprinted because that blue coating, I don't know, it doesn't do anything, I guess. See how it's just completely going up there. It's just no blue.
I like these knives. I have been using them for about a month. They have a little sheath that keeps you safe from cutting yourself. I have noticed that they do start to get little brown spots along the edge after use. Don't know how well you can see that on here, but there's one right there. I only hand wash them. They do come off a little bit when you put a little grease on it, little, I don't know, looks like maybe a rust, but I don't know what's going on with that. But so far, I haven't had any issues with them. It slice well. The color is really pretty. The color is very pretty.
My knife set is very messed up. All of them are scratched up on both sides. There's damage to both sides of my knife. Like, both sides. Like, this is ridiculous. I was expecting high quality. You see this? This is scratched up on both sides. There's damages down in here. Even my box was already open when I got it.